For millions of consecutive years, the nature of Bayanaul has been waiting for you. Quickly set out in search of inspiration in the world of fairy tales and legends. Give a glance at the world through the eyes of a child. Bayanaul, like a man of wisdom, will lead you to the kingdom of stone, water, and forest. Seeing these places for the first time is priceless. Each element keeps a legend about itself. Experience them. Every square foot of land remembers a millenary history. Touch the origins. Like a discoverer, go towards the unknown. Feel the moment. Look for happiness in small things. Get inspired. One day, your journey will end, but Bayanaul will remain in your heart forever. Do not waste a minute. The land of legends awaits you.